So, you've seen the Dekopro snowblower all over the internet, promising to make winter cleanup a breeze. But does it actually live up to the hype, or is it just another flashy gadget that'll end up in your garage corner? I put it to the real-world test, and here's what I found out, step by step. First up, performance. For light, fluffy snow, this thing is a champ. I cleared my sidewalk after a fresh powdery fall, and the Dekopro handled it like a pro, zipping through several inches in just minutes. The throwing distance? About 20 feet on a good day, which is honestly impressive for the battery size and price. But let's talk about limits. If you're dealing with heavy, wet, or icy snow, think that slushy mess after a thaw, be ready for some frustration. It can clog, slow down, or even stop, which is pretty normal for small electric shovels. So, if your driveway turns into a glacier, this isn't the hero you're looking for. Clearing capacity? It's got a 17-inch wide path and can handle up to about 10 inches deep per pass. That's perfect for sidewalks, decks, and smaller driveways. But if you've got a huge property, or regularly get dumped on, you'll want something beefier. User experience is where the Dekopro shines. It's super lightweight, less than 20 pounds, and easy to carry, which makes it a real winner for older folks or anyone who dreads heavy shoveling. The ergonomic handles are a nice touch, giving my back a break. And with the cordless version, I didn't trip over wires or worry about emissions. Now, the downsides. The plastic chute feels a bit flimsy, and there's a rare report of a motor overheating. But for the price, the parts are honestly better than I expected. Bottom line, the Dekopro snowblower is legit for what it's designed to do. Light to moderate snow in small spaces. It's not a scam, but it's not a miracle worker either.